Welcome to Code Shopping.
Hi, today we are going to see the demo for hospital booking PHP web application. First open the SAM control panel. Start MySQL and Apache. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Click the readme text. Here we have login details and project URLs. Copy the localhost PHP myadmin and paste to the browser. Left side you can see the database tables. And then click the table name. You can view the data. For window user, open the XAMPP control panel and then start the Apache and MySQL. Then click the MySQL admin. Then you can see the backend database tables. Next open the Visual Studio Code. Click the web and then click JS. Here you can see the Angular JS files. Click the file name. You can view the source code. And then click the HTML file. You can view the HTML source code. And then click the readme text. Copy the project URL and paste to the browser. Here we have two roles, user and doctor. Let's start with the doctor. Click the create account. Here you can enter the name, email ID, password, mobile number, city, address and locality for registration. Once you do that, click the register button, it will be registered. Enter the email ID and password. Click the login button. Login successful. Here we have several models. First start the create hospital. Click the create hospital. Here you can enter the hospital name, doctor name, treatment, time, address, city and locality, mobile number. And then click the submit button, it will be created. Whatever has been created, you can see the update hospital. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. Click the update button. Here you can update. And then click the update map. Here you can update the location. Just drag and drop the red bubble. And then click the update geo. It will capture the latitude and longitude of the Google map. Location updated successfully. And then click create slot. Here you can update the slot. And then click the status. Here you can see the details. Here we have two options, prescription and history. Click the prescription. Here you can update the prescription details. And then click the history. Here you can see the prescription history. Here you can search the date wise or mission wise. And then click all slot. Here you can see the all booking details. Here you have two options. If you want to export in Excel sheet, click the Excel, or if you want to in PDF, click the PDF and then save the PDF format. Here you can search the ID wise or name wise. And then click feedback. Here you can see your feedback. Next, move to the user. Before you log in, you have to register. Click the user register. Enter the name and then email ID. And then enter the password. And then enter the mobile number. And then enter the address. Once you enter, click the register button. The password must be in 8 digits. It must contain one capital letter, one special character and numbers. So register successfully. Here we have 4 models. Click the search. Here you can see the hospital details. And then click the book. Here you can search the booking details. Here you can search the ID wise or name wise. And then click the book. Here you can update the details. And then click feedback. Here you can post your feedback. If you want to get more information, click the more info. Here you can see the more information. Click the show map. It will promote you to the Google map. Here you can see the location. And then click my booking. Here you can see the booking history. And then click my prescription. Here you can see the prescription history. Here you can search the mission wise or date wise. And then click my profile. Here you can see the profile details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. So this is a hospital booking PHP web application.
Code shopping.